Hi class and welcome to week 5. All right, so we got exam 1 completed last week, and this week you will be reading chapter 15 titled Prevalence and Management of Behavioral Health Care. And we also have a discussion board assignment that's assigned for this week. Now, in order to complete this assignment, you will be responsible for viewing 2 videos which are found on the discussion board forum on non-governmental organizations or NGOs, and then a video about access to healthcare services in the area of Mozambique. I do want to make you aware that other than just posting your assignment post where you answer the posed questions for the assignment, you're also responsible for responding to 2 of your peers' posts. And I'm looking for substantive responses, meaningful responses, okay? I want you to demonstrate in your response that you have read your peers' assignment post, all right? So remember, you're responsible for 2 of them. Now, if you do any research on your own regarding NGOs or access to healthcare services, which is a big plus. I love when I see students doing a little research on their own. Make sure to reference your source at the end of your post following an APA format. Now, the discussion board forum will be open all week, June 12th through June 18, which is Sunday. And now I'm going to go through this week's module. So here are the learning objectives for the week. And then I'm going to go to the next page, which includes the PowerPoint presentation that goes along with the chapter. And here is a chapter on non-governmental organizations. And there's also a video you'll be watching in the discussion board forum in order for you to complete the discussion board assignment. Here are the key terms for chapter 15. And then I have a couple of videos here. The first one titled Personal Stories and the WHO's Mental Health Action Plan. And this video describes mental health stories in India, Africa, China, France, and the US. And it addresses different mental illnesses like depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, and schizophrenia. Below that is a video that covers the topic of culture and looking at indigenous perspectives on behavioral health care. So it's really a documentary. It's a little longer than most of the videos that I usually provide for you guys, but it's interesting. It focuses on Native American, Alaska Native, and Pacific Islander behavioral health care and how culture influences treatment decisions. And then below that is the video on non-governmental organizations. So this video explains what an NGO is. And below that is a video that discusses access to health care in Mozambique. Now, when I click on the next button, we're going to be taken to the discussion board forum. As I included or mentioned before, the 2 videos here are the videos for the assignment, which were found on the previous page. All right, and remember, when you're going to do your post, you just click that reply. I usually suggest for my students to write their assignment post in a Microsoft Word, then copy and paste it and post it onto the discussion board forum. And remember, you do need to respond to 2 of your peers' posts as well. And last but not least is the weekly checklist. Make sure you've completed everything on this checklist before going to week 6. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. That's what I'm here for. Best of luck, everyone, and take care.